Hello everyone, this is Tech Rehab, and today I am going to show you how to upgrade the RAM on your HP laptop. So the process is similar to every Windows laptop, and it's not something hard. You just have to unscrew these bottom screws first. Then you have to check under the rubber strips because it's most likely to have some screws under there. Now, after you remove every screw from the bottom, you have to carefully pry around with a jimmy tool or with a plastic opener like mine until the whole bottom pops out. Some laptops don't need prying, and you can easily remove the bottom by just unscrewing it. Okay, mine is a little more complicated, but you don't have to worry if you are careful and use a plastic opener like mine because it's too small to make contact with any of the parts inside. Now we just remove the whole back and we are successfully inside the laptop. Okay, so I am going to use a DDR4 16GB 3200 MHz stick, but that may differ on your laptop as you will have to check what RAM exactly does your CPU supports. Okay, so I removed the original RAM to clean it, and now I will install both in place. I will clean my laptop a little because it has collected some dust and place the back plate under it without fully installing it to make sure everything works when I open it. Okay, everything seems to be working, so let's close it and screw everything back. Now let's place our rubber strips back and boot the laptop on. So, as you can see, we successfully installed our RAM and we have 24 gigabytes right now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and write any thoughts or questions in the comments. This was Tech Rehab, and I will see you in the next one.